back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, looks like it will be green flag racing coming out of turn number 4. The number 11 of Travis Quesenberry will be leading the way. Looks like the white flag is out. One more lap to go. And a checkered flag will go to Travis Quesenberry, with Will Hostetler and Daniel Wright bringing up your top 3.
Well, good luck. You did a good job tonight, and we'll be back here next week.
I'll see you next season.
Next season?
Yeah, my daughter's got a couple travel softball games coming up, so we ain't gonna be able to make it no more this year. So.
Well, you picked a good time to win.
That's right.
All right, congratulations. Are you the driver? Well, here he is.
How are you, Fred?
Fine. How are you?
I'm all right, I reckon. I need to thank Klein's Auto Service of Towing, Cobble's, or Tommy at O'Reilly's, RNL Construction, Lacey, Chris, Phillip, Billy, Tammy, Jacob, Matt. Everybody helps me on the thing, and I reckon we'll go back next week and see if we can catch Travis. Thank y'all.
All right. Good job. Thank you. Are you the driver?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, you had a good ride tonight. Got along. You didn't mess up, did you?
No, if I messed up, Danny Tate would have got around me. He was on my bumper the whole entire time. He made me work for this one. I'm just lucky to be able to finish third. Can't do it without the good Lord above. All my sponsors: Hedrick's Auto Repair, Triple T Lawn Care, Outlaw Race Cars, Small Town Glass. My dad Bobby, he's always here to support me. My wife, Billy here, Bentley always helping me. And Papa Tasso's. And I think that's it. And y'all, Fred, thank y'all for giving us a place to race.
Well, you do a good job. We enjoyed it. And, you know, we've got